Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
People of Kaduna State to join us, all Nigerians, in praying for the repose of the souls of Lieutenant General Attahiru and all the others. 4 out of the 8 senior officers were all Kaduna citizens. So this is a monumental tragedy for us. May their souls rest in peace. Well, General Attahiru was a very inspirational leader. He mobilized and inspired the officer and men and women of the Nigerian Army. But the Nigerian Army is an institution that has outlived many crises, and we are quite confident that it will outlive the loss of this great officer. As I said, he was born and grew up in Kaduna State. We are very proud of his achievements, but we also believe that the Nigerian Army has the resilience and the doctrine to continue what it has started. So while we miss him, we will continue to pray and support our army to bring an end to the insecurity, insurgency, and the terrorism that has afflicted our country and our people.
Thank you, Excellency.